Hindi lahat ng may lote ready magpagawa ng bahay. Ito yung hindi naiintindihan ng maraming tao. Akala nila kapag may lote ka na, ready ka na agad magpatayo. Pero ang totoo, maraming construction project ang nagkakaproblema dahil walang proper planning, minadali yung process, hindi realistic yung budget, o walang tamang guidance habang ongoing yung construction. Kaya maraming owners ang na-over budget, nai-stress sa project, na-delay ang construction, o napipilitang mag-compromise sa design at quality. At mas mahirap ito lalo na kung busy ka, OFW ka, o first time mong magpagawa ng bahay. That's why importante ang guided house construction process. Hindi lang basta nagpapagawa ng bahay, kundi proper planning from start to finish. Kasama na rito budget planning, customized house design, construction guidance, project coordination, at step-by-step process based sa actual needs at budget capacity mo para mas malinaw ano yung realistic na budget, paano magsisimula, at paano maiiwasan yung common construction mistakes. Message basta na para malaman paano magsisimula ang tamang house construction process.